Good evening, YouTube land. Will Tesla go even further? And that's one of the things that we're looking at for the week of August 23rd. And there's volume on its side, and it doesn't seem to be like it's going to let up. So, will you step in to short it, or will you get crushed like all the other people who've stepped in this path? So, since just about June, just about June 3rd, all the way to where we're at now, this thing has rocketed. Tesla has rocketed to all-time high. It's like every week this this machine is keeps flying. So when will the pullback come? Are we going to set up for a pullback? So what are we going to do? What I tend to do is look at the further outs out of the money, because just want to buy one option. Don't try to do it too big. Just buy one option. Too big might seem um, like more expensive for others, but least expensive for others. Like one option for say a 10, it's $1,000. So purchasing just one of those and see what happens. And once I'm down 10%, I'm out. You know, I'm not going. I'm not trying to go against the trend. I'm trying to go with the trend, not to get crushed by any opposite move. So once I'm down 10%, I'm out. I set my limit, and I see another setup. Just or I just sit on hands. If I don't see a setup playing out for me, I'm getting out the way. I'm not trying to get crushed here. I'm trying to make money instead of lose money in the market. Let's look at Apple, another one, another monster. Will this let up? The volume, look at the volume here. The volume isn't going anywhere. Anywhere. It's a beast. Will it continue? I believe it will. It will continue. I mean, the Fed is giving us so much money, and also, let's not forget, I hate these little pop-ups. So remember, on the 31st is when the split is going to happen. That Monday, um, actually, the Monday after next, it's the 4-to-1 split. So I think it's gonna keep pumping this higher, even higher and higher and higher and higher just before this happens. So what I'm doing is, let's look at let's look at some call options, and let's go with the trend. Trend is our friend. So let's look at the 500. Yeah, I believe it's gonna go even higher than that, and let's go with it. It's gonna be out 500. It's gonna skyrocket to all time. I mean, even further. Just keep riding, keep going even further, and that's what I believe. It's not gonna stop, and that's my analogy. That's what I'm believing. It's not going to end until August 31st, or just before, or at 8:28. 8:28 is when that last hoorah, the last um, strength, and then it'll split, and then usually after that, what happens is it goes downwards. So let's see what happens, man. That's my prediction. That's my two stocks I'll be looking at for this week. I'm not buying the stock. I'm playing the options. Remember, subscribe, like this page, Miami Option. So I can put out some more stuff and some more dialogue, so we can um, have plays for this week, for every upcoming week. All right, like and subscribe. Thank you guys.